everybody. Today we are going to do a few different things. We're going to start with the assembly of the Cookup 400 flat pack barbecue and fire pit, and then once we have assembled that, we're going to light a fire in it, and we're going to cook some steak sandwiches. So I'm going to start with the assembly process. We have an ember tray, side panels, what I'm doing here is I'm assembling it in the open fronted fire pit configuration. So if we want to cook on it, this is the best configuration, because what we get left with is an open front. So once we put our plate on, that's just a pan holder or utensils. So the front's open, so we can still light the fire, tend to the fire, make it grow bigger, spread it out, all that sort of stuff. So there we are, pretty quick and easy, and then we're ready to go. What I'll demonstrate now is, this is in the cooking configuration. So we have the open front, which is great for being able to control the fire. Now, if you just want to use it in the fire pit configuration, don't need the plate. Quite simply, we just move that to the top slot, and it's your regular deep V fire pit. So this is the bit I've been looking forward to all week. I'm busting with excitement. We've got some fresh, crusty, homemade bread, and we're going to make our simple steak sandwiches, and we've got some marinated rib fillet. So just a bit of salt, pepper, oil, and garlic, crushed garlic, that's about it. And we'll fry off a few onions as well, and a little bit of melted cheese.